Right, very good morning everybody. So, I'm going to show you two places. This is one where it's flooded. Yes, we still get flooded, unbelievably, after 5 years. And as you can see it just ahead. As I came this way this morning on my way to the doctor's, and there was a lady standing just along the road here, and she said no go unless you got wellies. Morning. Morning. Yeah. So as you can see, this should have been fixed 4 years ago, but you know. So all that is deep water. Well, he drove past slowly, but I still have to stand on the seat. That's some bow wake. Morning. So now we get to see flood number 2. And you know, like I said before, I've lived here 5 years. It shouldn't be this way. And there's a village not far away called Colston Bassett. Yeah. He wasn't going to chance it either. So Barker and Stonehouse has just come in behind us. I don't blame him not wanting to go through it. That's built. I wouldn't want to go through it. But we're going to see the next bit of flood. I'm just videoing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Because like I say, I mean, I've lived here 5 years and it's still the same.
I know. They were supposed to do it in November at this corner, but they stopped.
Oh,
So,
I see.
yeah. Anyway, take care.
You too, mate. You too. So yes, this is the big flood coming up. And what I mean by big, you'll see. This is what it's like, village life. I mean, even the doctor this morning, he even turned around and says, well, thank goodness you got here. I mean, if you haven't got a 4x4, you're knackered. So, let's have a little look. Ooh, yeah, that's a big one. Are you going to be turning round? Methinks so. So yes, you can see ahead the level of water. And no, I haven't got wellies, so I'm not going to plodge all the way through it. Wow, wait. Right. Oh. By gum. That's a big flood, isn't it?
Oh, it's ridiculous.
It is, yes. I quite agree. I mean, I've only lived here 5 years, but this shouldn't
The
happen.
drains aren't working. I mean, it's getting worse. It's got worse. They've not repaired it.
Yeah,
They're supposed to have 100 and something thousand pounds, but they've not repaired it. They've made it even worse.
true. Yeah.
But he's not. His floodgates were.
I'm glad we didn't have that much snow.
Snow.
Yeah, I'm glad we didn't have that much.
Well, you might get it. We might get some snow before long.
Well,
But this is not. It's not draining. You see, it's not. No, it's not draining, is it?
yeah, true. See, where I'm from, it would flood the whole place out.
It's not draining. None of the drains. You can see that none of the drains are working.
Yeah. It's bad, like, isn't it?
I've
Yes.
seen it flooded like this.
Mhm.
I mean, last December.
Oh yeah.
Last December.
Hmm.
And then within a day or so, it flooded gone.
Yeah.
Well, this has become a lake.
True. So does it go right way down to the bottom? Looks as though it does. So it goes around the corner as well. So I'm just videoing this from a YouTube channel to show people what it's like living in a village.
Oh, it's just destroying the village, isn't it?
Well, the thing is, I mean, when I came down here 2019, they could have done something about it. And the honest truth is, right, you had the local councillor speaking to Via, and it was just like, pass the parcel. You know, you hold the parcel for 5 minutes, pass it back.
Yeah.
And nothing's actually happened. I mean, all of what we're seeing here could have been sorted out. But they just don't want to because, oh, we'll have it for the next meeting. When, you know, I mean, unless you've got a 4x4.
It's never used to happen. You see, what? A lot of water's coming off the A46,
Yeah,
but none of the drains in the village are working.
yeah. Well, you can see that. But yeah, I mean, the way that they've done this, it shouldn't have been allowed.
Oh. Oh, well.
Because when I upload this to my YouTube channel, I'm going to link the MP. See what he can do. But yeah, when I went to walk to the bishop this morning for the doctors, I saw that side and I thought, nah, I'm not going that way. So I went across the field, and the field was even waterlogged.
The field's waterlogged, is it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, you walk down across the field to Copper Bishop?
Yeah.
You couldn't get down?
Nope. I had to go, you know, the big bits of clump of grass?